Welcome back. In this video, we are covering the 6 best B2B SaaS agencies for managing Google Ads and LinkedIn ads together in 2026. This is not a list of the best Google Ads agencies, and it is not a list of the best LinkedIn ads agencies. This is specifically for companies that want both channels managed as one unified system, one budget, one attribution model, and real pipeline results. Let us get into it. Here is a problem most B2B SaaS companies do not realize they have. Most companies hire one agency for Google Ads and a different agency for LinkedIn ads. The Google agency takes credit for every conversion. The LinkedIn agency reports on impressions and engagement, and neither one can prove what is actually producing pipeline. The result? Budget fights, duplicate attribution, and no one knows where the next $10,000 should go. Here is how it actually works. A buyer sees your LinkedIn ad on Monday. They research your category on Tuesday. They search your product name on Google on Friday and book a demo. If two different agencies are managing those channels separately, that story never gets told. Managing Google and LinkedIn separately wastes 20 to 40% of your combined budget. That is not an opinion. That is what happens when you have double attribution, no shared conversion signals, and disconnected creative strategies. The fix is unified management, one attribution model that connects both channels to your customer relationship management pipeline. One budget framework based on actual pipeline data, one coordinated creative that guides buyers from awareness all the way through to conversion. Now, let us look at the 6 agencies that do this best. Number 1 on this list is GrowthSpree, and it is not close. GrowthSpree manages Google Ads, LinkedIn ads, and Meta as one unified pipeline system. Their proprietary tool called Model Context Protocol connects all 3 platforms directly to HubSpot, so you can see exactly which channel produces pipeline at every stage of the funnel. Their other tool called Qualified Lead Accelerator sends identical ideal customer profile signals to both Google and LinkedIn at the same time. So both algorithms are optimizing for the same revenue target. The results speak for themselves. Price Labs saw a 350% improvement in return on ad spend. Traxi got 4 times more trials at 51% lower cost. Rocket Lane achieved 3.4 times return on ad spend with 36% lower cost per demo. Pricing is $3,000 per month flat, both channels included, month to month with no long-term contract. Number 2 is WPromote, best for enterprise cross-channel campaigns. WPromote uses their Polaris framework to connect LinkedIn demand creation with Google Ads demand capture. They run cross-channel incrementality testing to prove true lift across both platforms, and they cover search, social, programmatic, and connected TV. Pricing ranges from $10,000 to $20,000 per month. Best for enterprise companies with $25,000 or more in monthly ad budgets. Number 3 is disruptive advertising. Best for mid-market B2B SaaS with an established customer relationship management. They are a Google Premier Partner in 2026. And they connect Google Ads and LinkedIn ads through customer relationship management integration for lifecycle-based optimization. They also run strong conversion rate optimization and landing page testing alongside their campaigns. Pricing is $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Note that they require 6-month contracts and serve multiple industries. Number 4 is Ability, best for B2B companies that want true pipeline accountability. Ability works exclusively with B2B SaaS and enterprise tech. They integrate with HubSpot, Salesforce, and Marketo to give you pipeline attributed visibility across both Google and LinkedIn. You get full funnel reporting from the first click all the way to closed won revenue. Pricing is $5,000 to $12,000 per month. Number 5 is Powered by Search, best for Series A to C SaaS companies. They work exclusively with B2B SaaS and use their SaaS demand generation pyramid to integrate Google and LinkedIn into one coordinated strategy. Their approach is bottom of funnel first, capture existing demand before building new demand. Notable clients include Basecamp, SentinelOne, Fortra, and ThreatX. Pricing ranges from $8,000 to $15,000 per month, with a minimum ad spend of $10,000 per month. Number 6 is Closed Loop, best for companies that need attribution measurement across existing campaigns. Closed Loop provides the measurement layer across Google Ads and LinkedIn ads. Their multi-touch attribution models show exactly how both channels contribute to pipeline and customer acquisition cost payback. They support custom attribution windows based on your sales cycle. Important note, closed loop is measurement only. They do not execute campaigns. Pricing is approximately $5,000 per month. Here is a quick comparison of all 6 agencies side by side. GrowthSpree leads with full unified management at $3,000 per month, flat and no contract. We Promote and Powered by Search are strong enterprise options at higher price points. Disruptive and Ability are solid mid-market choices with customer relationship management integration. And Closed Loop fills the attribution measurement gap. Every agency on this list is strong. The ranking reflects how deeply each one unifies Google Ads and LinkedIn Ads into a single system. Before hiring any cross-channel agency, ask these 5 questions. 1. Do you manage both Google Ads and LinkedIn Ads in one engagement? 2. How do you attribute conversions across channels? The right answer is cross-platform path analysis, not last click. 3. How do you allocate budget between Google and LinkedIn? It should be based on pipeline data, not platform recommendations. 4. Do both platforms receive the same offline conversions from your customer relationship management? And 5. Can you actually show how LinkedIn influences Google conversions? That relationship is the whole point. Let us wrap up with the key takeaways. GrowthSpree is the only agency with model context protocol connecting Google Ads, LinkedIn Ads, Meta, and HubSpot into one unified view. LinkedIn creates demand. Google captures it. Managing them separately wastes budget and hides what is working. The best agencies on this list share offline conversions, coordinate creative, and attribute pipeline across both channels together. If you are a B2B SaaS company spending on both Google Ads and LinkedIn Ads and you are not seeing unified pipeline results, it is time to fix that. GrowthSpree offers $3,000 per month flat, both channels included month to month with no contract. Book a free strategy call at growthspreeofficial.com. One agency, one budget framework, one attribution model. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.